Hello everyone, I am your host Ayushi Kara Setia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create travel videos and share them on social media platform. So the idea here is that you have sorted some images or some media in your Google Sheets and you have scheduled the posts that on which date which media should get posted on your social media platform. Now you want that using those images of the Google Sheets, automatically a travel video should get generated in your Woxo account and it should automatically get shared on your social media platform, that is Instagram. For this, we need to create an integration between Google Sheets, Woxo and Instagram. So how we are going to set up the integration, this we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time, that how this complete process works automatically. So this is my Google Sheet named Travel Video, where I have arranged some titles along with the text and the images to be published on a specific date over here. Okay. So now I want that using these details of the Google Sheet, that is title, text and media, automatically a new travel video should get generated and it should get shared on the social media platform on this particular date on which I have scheduled the post. Okay. So let us see how this happens automatically. So I'm just going on my Instagram account. Here I'm just going to refresh this page. Okay, and here we can find a new video. Okay, that is a Jammu and Kashmir tour video. And here we can find the caption also, my Jammu and Kashmir tour. So now here you might be wondering that using these details of the Google Sheet automatically how a video is generated and how it is shared on the social media platform on my Instagram account. So let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between Google Sheets, Woxo and Instagram, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating all these three applications automatically. The best part here is, it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the post and the media that you have created in your Google Sheets. Then using those details of the media, automatically a travel video will be generated in your Woxo account and it will be shared on the social media platform, that is Instagram. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Google Sheets, Woxo and Instagram using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your free account from this sign up free button. In this account, you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Now here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as how to create travel videos and share on social media platform. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the travel videos to get posted automatically on the social media platform. So we have to apply a scheduler so that they can be posted automatically. For that, open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find schedule. So we are scheduling the post. Okay. Now how often you want to run your workflow? So we want the workflow to run every day. So select every day. Now here we have to select the time, at which time you want the post to be created. Okay. Please insert the time in UTC time format only, and you can convert any time in UTC format over here. So if you want to schedule the post at 10 a.m. in the morning, the UTC time will be 4:30 a.m. Okay. So here we have to give the UTC time. So I'm just giving it as 4:30 a.m. Okay. And let's click on save. So it is scheduled successfully every day at 4:30. It means 10 a.m. in the morning. Okay. So by using scheduler, we have scheduled the time, but we want the dates also. For that, come to this action window, and here in the choose application, let us find date and time formatter. In the action event, we have to select current date. Click on connect. Now here we have to select the basic format, in which format we want the date. So I'm just selecting the format as DD, MM and YY. Okay. Now here, do you want to include time and response? So no, I don't want to include the time. So I'm just keeping it as false. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received, and here we have got the current date. Okay, that is today's date. So now we have got the date as well as we have scheduled the time also. Okay. So now we want the post to be captured over here. For that, I have already created a Google Sheet. So I'll just take you to my Google Sheet. The Google Sheet name is travel video and the sheet name is to video. Okay. Here I have given the columns title 1, text 1, media 1. Okay. Then title 2, text 2, media 2, then title 3, text 3 and media 3. And at last we have given the post schedule date. Okay. So on which particular date, which media should get posted along with which title and which text. We have mentioned over here very clearly. Okay. So now I'm just going to make this J column. I'll just going to format it and I'm just going to make it in plain text. Okay. Otherwise it may create some errors in the workflow. For that we are just making this to a plain text. Okay. So now we want to collect these details into Pabbly Connect. For that, move to Pabbly Connect. Here, come to this plus sign and click on Add Action step. Here in the Choose Application, let us select Google Sheets. In the action event, we have to select Look Up Spreadsheet Rows. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection and click on Connect with Google Sheets. Now here we have to choose an account, in which account you have created your Google Sheet. So I'm just going to select my account. Pabbly Connect Sheets wants additional access to your Google account. Okay, so it's asking for the access. Let's click on continue and give away the access, as the data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. Authorization successful. And now the Google Sheets are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the spreadsheet name. So the spreadsheet name was travel video. So we have to select this particular spreadsheet name over here. And here we have to select the sheet name. So the sheet name was to video. As I have created just one sheet, it is automatically captured. Now here we have to give the lookup column. In which column we want to search the data. So we want the date over here. So we are going to give the lookup column as column J. Okay. Let us give it as column J. We are searching for the dates on which particular day the post should be published. Okay. Here we have to select for lookup value. What should be the value which needs to be searched in this particular column? So the value should be date. So we are just going to map the date from date and time formatter. So it will be going to search for this particular date in J column. Okay. Include header in response true. I am just going to keep it as true and sort value as top. Okay. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received and all the details are captured over here. Okay. Here we can find the text, here we can find the title, and here we can find the post schedule date along with the media and all other details. Okay. And here we can find the response result row index also here. So I'll just show you the row index, that is the second column. Okay. So this is the row index. So now we are going to apply the filter. Okay. So on this particular date, these particular media should get posted. Okay. And if the date doesn't matches, then the media should not get posted. For that, come to Pabbly Connect. Here we have to click on this plus sign, that is add action step. And here in the choose application, let us find filter. Here in the label we have to select response result index from the Google Sheets. Okay, and it was at last. Okay, if this particular row index value do exist, then only this particular workflow should run. Okay, so it may happen that you haven't given the media on a specific day, that is 25th. You don't have given the values. So on 25th, this particular workflow should not run. Okay, so that is the reason we are applying the filters. But as I have already scheduled on each day, then it will be working on every day. Okay, so I'm just going to click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received status as success, as message as condition is true. Okay, just because on 21 of January we have scheduled a post over here. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Now we want to generate a video automatically using these particular images, these medias. For that we have to going to just come to this plus sign and click on add action step once again. Here we have to select the application name as Woxo. In the action event, we have to select Generate Native Video 1. Click on Connect. Click on Add New Connection. Now it is asking for the team ID and API key. Okay. So log into your Woxo account, navigate to My Account from the left sidebar, scroll down under the Account Settings page to get your API key and team ID. So I'll just take you to my Woxo account. Okay, so this is my Woxo account. Here we have to come on My Account, click on it. And when we scroll down, at last we can find the API key and the current team. So I'm just going to copy this API key from here. Okay, this is the API key. Let us copy it. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and we are going to paste the API key over here. And now the team ID is required. So let's go to Woxo once again, and the current team is the current team ID. Let's copy it and we are going to paste the same over here. That is the team ID. Okay, and let's click on save. Okay, and now the Woxo account is connected to Pabbly Connect. So now here we have to map title 1, text 1, media 1. So we have already got all these details from Google Sheets over here. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay, so let us scroll down and let us map all these details one by one from Google Sheets. Let us map title 1 over here. That is Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, here we have to map text 1 again from Google Sheets. So this was the text 1. And here we have to give the media 1. Let us find media 1. Okay, in the same way we have to map title 2. So from Google Sheets, once again, let us find the title 2. And here we have to map text 2. From Google Sheets, let us find text 2. That is Srinagar. And media 2. Okay, let us map media 2 over here. And in the same way, we have to give title 3. Again from Google Sheets, let us map the title 3. Here we have to map text 3. Go to Google Sheets and find text 3. Okay, and here we have to map media 3. And let us find media 3 over here. Okay, so we have mapped all these titles and text and media. If you have more text, more titles and more medias, you can map it over here. We even have the values for 4 and 5 titles. Okay, so you can map it over here. Now here we have to give a video shape. So the basic shape is 9:16, but for posting to Instagram, we have to give it as 16:9. Okay, so I'm just giving 16:9 over here. Okay, if you want to map brand logo, font URL, font size, you can map it over here. Okay, and I don't want to map all these details right now, so I'm just leaving it as blank. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received, and here we can find the success code and the success native landing, that is the video ID. It means a video has been generated. So I'm just going to copy this video ID link from here and let us open it in a new tab and let us see whether the video is generated or not. Okay, it's just taking some time to get loaded. Okay, and here we can see that our video is ready. Okay, so in this way we can see that our video is prepared properly. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so now we are going to just apply a delay of 5 minutes because sometimes it take time to generate the video over here. Okay, so before getting posted on the social media platform, it will be just delayed for 5 minutes. Okay, so click on this plus sign, add action step, and here in the choose application, let us find delay. So how much delay you want to put in the workflow? Delay for minutes, delay unit to be minutes, and the value should be 5 minutes. Okay. So after 5 minutes of the schedule time, the post will get generated on your social media platform. Okay. So let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see success status as success and message as delayed for 5 minutes. Okay. So now we want to share this particular video on the social media platform. But for sharing it on social media platform, we need MP4 file. Okay. So for that, come to this plus sign once again and click on add action step. Here we have to choose the application as Woxo once again. In the action event, we have to select get video. Click on connect. Here we are going to just select the existing connection just because we have recently created a connection and click on save. So now the Woxo account is connected. Now here we have to map the video code. So we have already got the video code from Woxo over here. The success code is the video code. So we are going to map this video code over here. Okay, so let us map the video code from Woxo. Okay, and this was the success code or the video code. And let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see that the response is received. And here we can find the download link. So this is the MP4 file which we have received right now. Okay, so now we want to share it on the social media platform. For that, again come to this plus sign and click on add action step. And here in the choose application, let us find Instagram for business. In the action event, we have to select publish video. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. And click on connect with Instagram for business. Authorization successful. And now the Instagram account is connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Instagram account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Instagram account. Okay. Now here we have to select the account, Instagram account which we need to use. So I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, now here we can see that the Instagram account to use is automatically captured just because I was already logged into my Instagram account. Now here we have to give the video URL. So we have got the video URL over here, that is the download link. So we are going to map it right now. Okay, so let us map the video URL. Okay, from Woxo get video, and let us find the download link over here. Okay, now here if you want to give some caption, you can give it manually over here, or else you can create a column in your Google Sheet and from there you can map the caption in your Pabbly Connect account. Here you can add the column for the caption also. Okay, so I'm just going to give the caption manually. Caption as my Jammu and Kashmir tour. Okay, here you can give the caption as per your requirement. So we have mapped the video URL as well as the caption, and let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received. So now let us check our Instagram account. I'll just go to my Instagram account. I'm just going to refresh it. Okay, and here we can find our video along with the caption my Jammu and Kashmir tour. Okay, and in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Okay, so let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time whether our integration is working fine or not. For that, I'll just come to this scheduler. Okay, and here we are going to just give the scheduler for the current time. It is 3:25 p.m. IST. So I'll just convert the time to UTC. Okay, here I'm just going to give the time as 3:25 p.m. Okay, so it's 9:55 a.m. right now. So I'm just going to give the time as 9:55 a.m. over here. And let's click on save. Save, successfully scheduled. Okay, so this workflow is scheduled just after 5 minutes because we have applied a delay over here. Okay, the delay of 5 minutes. Okay, yes, here we have applied the delay. So after 5 minutes, the video will get posted on our Instagram account. Okay, so I'll just go to the Instagram account, and here we are just going to wait for just 5 minutes. So it's almost 5 minutes. Let us refresh it once again. Okay, and here we can see that a new video is posted over here. Okay, this was our previous video. Okay, and the same video is posted right now. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect, and let us just minimize all these windows, and we are going to see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. Okay, so I'm just going to minimize all the windows, that is Woxo also, and here the scheduler also. Okay, yes. So first we have created a scheduler just because we want the video to get posted every day. Okay, then we have used date and time formatter to capture the current date. Then we have used Google Sheets to capture the media and the post schedule dates. Okay, then we have applied the filter that if the date matches and the media is present on that particular Instagram account, then only this particular workflow should run. Okay, then using the media of the Google Sheets or the images, we have created a new video in the Woxo account. Then we have applied the delay for 5 minutes because sometimes it takes time in generating the video in Woxo account. Okay, then we have again used the action window of Woxo account just to get the MP4 format of the video. And when we have got the MP4 format of the video, we have shared it on the social media platform, that is Instagram. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Google Sheets, Woxo and Instagram using Pabbly Connect.